Hi, I'm Philip from the inFlow support team. Today I'm going to walk you through setting up the portable printer, the inFlow portable printer. We've taken it out of the box, we've got it out now, got your labels installed into it. Close the lid, turn it on, you've got the power button on here, you hold it, it'll come on, and we can feed just to get it set to where the labels would start. To install it, we have two different programs you have to put on the computer. You can find in the installation manual here a little link at the bottom to download the driver. This is from our website, infoinventory.com/download. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the latest driver for the portable printer. Once you download that, you're gonna have to install it by plugging in to the USB. So it comes with a USB Type-C cable. Plug into the side of the printer on here and open up the executable. It's going to ask at this point if you want to install as wired or wireless. So this is where you can choose. If you want to install as wired, then you're always going to have to keep it plugged into the computer that has the driver installed on it, or you can install wirelessly. That way you can walk around if you wanted to print labels on like the floor or something like that. Once you've chosen that, you just pick a name for the printer and the setup is basically complete. You can then do a test page. So you can print a little test label, which I'll do on here. And that way you now know that it's working. We've got a nice little test printout. Once you've got that done, there is another piece of software that you'd want to install called the inFlow Print Helper. This is what actually connects inFlow to our label design software. You can find that on your account actually by going into your settings under inventory and then under printing and setup. And there you can download for either Windows or Macintosh the inFlow Print Helper software. Once you've installed that, you have to log into it. And basically then you've got everything set up that you're able to actually print your labels from inFlow. So I've already actually set up a few different label templates using the inFlow Print Helper and the inFlow Label Designer. So I'm going to go into one of my products right now. You can print your labels from a few different places in the current stock screen, the product screen itself, or from like a purchase order or sales order. Let me just pull up one of my products. And right at the top of the screen, you're going to actually see the option to print labels. Once you hit that, it's going to come up and give you an option to pick which printer you want to use. And I've got my new one that I just installed here. You can then also pick which barcode label that you're going to use and then simply hit print. Everything goes according to plan. You will have a nice printed out label. Okay, and that's all you need to know on how to install and print labels from the inFlow portable printer. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments down below, and thanks so much for watching.